Good day everyone! So for today ay magre-record kayo sa inyong mga journal. Okay, sa journal po ilalagay. And before that, let's very short discussion lang regarding the charts of account ng ating mga transaction. So, as I have said, ang bawat charts of account ng mga business ay iba-iba. So, iba yung charts of account natin sa service business, iba din yung charts of account natin sa ating merchandising. Okay, so for our charts of account ng asset, we have cash, accounts receivable, merchandise inventory, supplies, prepaid insurance, store equipment, accumulated depreciation or store equipment for store equipment. Okay. Ano yung nabago diyan compared sa ating service business? Meron siyang merchandise inventory. For our liabilities naman, we have accounts payable, notes payable, salaries payable, and utilities payable. Next naman, for our owner's equity, we have owner's capital and owner's drawing. Sa atin namang revenue, we have sales. Kung doon sa ating service revenue, ang tawag natin ay service revenue. Sa merchandising, ang tawag natin doon dito ay sales. And then sales return and allowance, ito yung mga binabalik sa atin or na-refund na items. For example, ay may damage. Sales discount naman, ito is yung binibigay natin na discount kapag maagang nagbabayad si customer sa kanyang mga due. Now, dito nagkakaiba. So, if you can remember, ang ating series of 500 sa service account ay yung mga expenses. Pero here, meron tayong series of 500 and series of 600. If you can see, series of 500 is related to purchase account. Purchases, purchase return and allowance, purchase discount, freight in, and cost of goods sold. While yung 600 series naman natin ay yung mga expenses natin. Take note that journalizing using periodic and perpetual method ay magkaiba. Therefore, kung sa ating perpetual method, kapag tayo ay bumili ng merchandise, siya ay papasok sa ating asset, which is our merchandise inventory, as you can see in our account 103. But if we are using periodic, take note that we don't have inventory account when we are purchasing merchandise kapag periodic ang ginagamit natin. But we are using the purchases account, which is hindi siya sa asset. Nasa temporary account siya. Okay? Yung purchases related accounts are temporary accounts lang. And magkakaroon lang ng laman yung inventory nitong kapag periodic ang ginagamit natin is at the end of the accounting period kapag tapos na nating mabilang yung remaining stocks natin. Doon lang magkakaroon ng merchandising inventory using the periodic method. Okay. So don't be confused. Using the periodic method, hindi pa siya papasok sa asset. Siya ay papasok sa purchases, okay, which is a temporary account. Remember that. So take notes of the account numbers also or the series number. Now for our um, transactions, I have here 30 transactions na i-journal nyo. So, journal it in your columnar and send the pictures to me not later than 2 p.m. Okay? So here is your transactions. By the way, you can post the video so that you can journalize it. Okay, so that's all for our 30 transactions. Again, use periodic inventory system or use periodic method in journalizing. Don't be confused with the word merchandising inventory in our chart account. No, we will be using that when we are recording perpetual. So these charts of accounts are important, no? So doesn't mean na nandiyan siya sa charts of account is kailangan ay gamitin natin. Okay, use only accounts that are applicable sa ating periodic method. Okay? So any questions regarding the transactions or clarification, kung meron man akong na mali na ilagay, just comment down and or sa GC natin sabihin nyo so that we can correct that. So kindly reach out to me na lang sa GC. And again, I will be waiting for your submission before 2 p.m. Okay? So that's all for today. Pakisubmit na lang. Bye-bye!